we're going to start to remove the battery hold down. So there is a 10 right here. Just set that aside and just completely loosen this one out. You don't have to completely remove it, just loosen it. It is a hook, so it is attached to a little hole on the bottom. You can just remove it just like that. You can see that little hook right here. It does go in there. You'll see what I mean once you see it yourself. Set that aside. We're going to start off with the negative terminal. And reminder, I do have a battery saver on there. That way I can, save the trouble of, writing down the radio stations. You don't have to do that, but that's just me. So, start off with the negative terminal. Put that aside. Positive side. If you do have a memory saver on there, if you disconnect the positive terminal, just be careful it doesn't touch anything, or you can cause a little spark on there, short something out. So just make sure that you place it in the spot where it won't really touch anything. Take it out from there. Alright, so when installing the new one, just make sure that you do put it on the correct spot, positive with positive, negative with the negative side. Now we're going to be basically installing in the reverse order. Positive goes on first. Make sure it goes all the way seated down. We're going to secure it right now. And you just kind of snug it down to the point where it's just, you're going to feel it where it's tight. You just go a quarter turn. Make sure it's nice and snug, doesn't move. Install that. Now we're going to install the negative side. Same thing. Make sure it's seated all the way. I'm just going to secure it. Once it feels like it's tight, another quarter turn. That's it, just to make sure it doesn't move. Now we're going to be reinstalling the battery hold down. Just go underneath that little handle. Just make sure that it goes all the way down here. It's going to go underneath this trim right here. You'll be able to see it on this end, as you can see. Just going by hand, you don't want to cross thread it. Kind of helps out sometimes if you put a little socket on there, so kind of start it, because sometimes the bolts are so small that you can't really grab it. Alright, let's put that in by hand just like that. And then on this side, you won't be able to see it, but there is, like I mentioned earlier, there is a little area where that hook goes on there. Once you hook it on there, 1 second. Sometimes you do have to really give it a little more, because sometimes, depending on the battery could be a little bit taller than the original one, so once it's hooked on there, what I do, I like to go in, just kind of secure it by hand so it doesn't come out again. Now we're going to snug it. Just make sure it doesn't move, and then secure it on this side. Again, it's just snug. Just make sure that holder doesn't move, battery doesn't move. That's all done.